With so many property management products on the market, it's hard to know which is the ideal option for you. However, property owners and managers must do their due diligence and research each one. Welcome back, Loopers. I'm your host, Andrew Chung. In this video, we're diving deep into Knock CRM, a property management software. We'll learn about its features, pricing, pros and cons, and some notable alternatives. As a disclaimer, I work for DoorLoop, and this video was produced by DoorLoop. Knock CRM is designed to serve multifamily managers, operational executives, IT teams, and more, all aimed at enhancing experiences and boosting efficiency. Now, let's dive into the features of Knock CRM's residential property management solution. It has a performance management platform, which offers reporting and analytics to help you simplify your tasks. It also has weekly reports and more. Expect functionalities like auto response, multiple reports, call recordings, and automation tools. And it has Knock Now and KnockBot. These tools bring in quality leads and allow prospects to self-schedule tours, all without extra costs. Quite impressive, right? But there's more to explore. Knock's pricing isn't public, so you'll need to request an online quote. Generally, it's believed the fees are based on the number of units you manage. Now, it's unknown if Knock offers a free trial. Knock CRM has a fantastic auto-response feature and is great for generating high-quality leads. Now, let's glance at some alternatives. DoorLoop is an excellent property management product because it has all the tools you need to improve occupancy rates. Plus, customer support is excellent. DoorLoop features a tenant portal, online rent collection, accounting tools, great communication, and a dedicated owner portal. Pricing starts at $49 a month for 20 properties. Innago offers a free plan with robust reporting, but might not suit large enterprises. It features a tenant portal, maintenance management, and excellent accounting tools. The pricing plan starts with no payment required, but you'll pay 2.75% for debits and $2 for ACH payments. And background checks cost $30 to $35. Finally, Landlord Studio is ideal for DIY landlords and those with small portfolios. It features reporting and expense tracking, online rent collection, basic maintenance management, and tenant screening. There's a free plan, and the pro version is $12 per month, billed annually. The price rises based on how many units you have. While Knock CRM offers some fantastic features, we believe DoorLoop might be a more transparent and comprehensive solution for many property managers. Schedule a free demo to test it out today. Click on the link in the description below. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with a link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.